My name is Rohit Sharma. My Instagram's at Twisted Nova Man. You can find me on there, and it's got a picture of my Nova on it. But I got a 72 Nova. I've had this car since high school, or some iteration of it since. It's been through a couple phases, but I think I'm at my final phase now. It's got a LS1 motor in it, swap with a T, or not a T. It's got, the other car's got a T56. This one's got a 4L65 in it. Had it a little beefed up. Full speed tech suspension, front and back. I got the torque arm suspension, 9-inch rear end. C5 brakes on the front, big brake kit in the back.
Oh, yeah.
The interior's been redone. The frame, you know, this is basically a frame off. The front part of it is powder coated. You can see all the chrome is gone. I powder coated all the chrome.
Yeah.
If you look at the what sets this different, I have all the lights shaved off on the sides, but if you look at the door, those are actually, I gutted the doors and put 73 glass in it, so there's no more wing window right here.
Oh,
so
yeah,
give it a little more of a sleek look.
Oh, that's How hard was that?
It wasn't too hard. Like, I mean, you could either just buy 73, 74 doors and put them on, or I already had the doors in good shape, so I found some donor doors. You just got to cut off a piece of metal on the inside and put the rail in it, and it's not hard at all. Okay. I'm sure there's people that make kits for it and all that. But yeah, man, wheels ain't anything super special. I needed bigger wheels. I had some torque thrust and they wouldn't fit with the calipers, so I just picked these up and I ended up loving them. So
20s?
No, these are like 18s. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. I keep them clean. You know what it is.
Yeah.
Ish. They're still dirty, but here goes
What is it? 2-inch?
Yeah, 2-inch cowling duct on it.
Okay.
I literally just got it painted this past year. I pulled it out the paint shop 3 days before Hot August Nights.
Oh,
it wasn't even color sanded, and I drove it up there.
Yeah.
And then I brought it back on my boy at JC Body and Frame. He's right here off of 47th off LeGrand. But yeah, it's got a LS1 in it. I put a Texas Speed Cam, different casting heads. I put a LS2 intake on it. So yeah, it's got AC, you know, those creature comforts, but I also got hydro boost and then rack and pinion in it. Just, you know, as you get older, your interests change. Gone are the times of just I don't need AC now. I'm like, I need AC.
Yeah,
but the funny part is I don't use it. When we roll up to Reno, I just have the windows down.
Oh, okay.
But no, it's still got a few little things I got to do to it. Next, I got to dress up the engine. I got the halo headlights in them, but I literally slapped them in the night before we went to Hot August Night. So I still got to adjust a few of them, and then I got to hook up the halos. But they work.
Okay, so right now it's just the normal light.
Just regular headlight. Yeah, just regular headlights. But yeah, man, it's my baby. This is the one that'll never get sold or traded or anything. I've had this since day one.
Yeah.
But you know, my garage has a few cars in it, a few projects. So
I like how smooth your firewall is.
Oh, thank you.
Did you redo it?
So when we went to do the swap, we did that. So we got it all covered up. But yeah, man. Other than that, it's a home built project. You know. Yeah. That's why it took so long. You know how it goes.
You know, but how long did it take for everything involved?
Man, I'd say it was about a 9-year build, because when I started, it was work on it like a few hours every month.
Exactly.
And then when the pandemic hit, that let me get in there and just work, because I was working from home. So I get to walk into the garage anytime I wanted.
Right.
So got it running during the pandemic and then kind of perfected it over the past few years. I love it. You can jump in it, fire it up, and I can drive to Reno and back without any hesitation. I can drive to the Bay.
Real. Man, you went crazy. You know, I like when people do their builds. I don't need perfection.
Yeah.
I love to see people's personalities come.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
yo, hood hinges.
Yeah.
Little details like that, bro.
Yeah,
like
thank you. That was the last added thing.
Okay.
I was all like, all right, if I'm painting it, I'm going to put new hinges on it, because once you get them set, man, they're hard to, to move them around. So I was like, nope, this is all what we're doing.
And you try to get those gaps right.
Try to, man. And I'll tell you right now, if you pull it apart, you'll almost never get it right if you're using aftermarket. Like, this fender's an aftermarket one, so it's hard. But hey, it's a driver.
Okay. What about the interior?
Interior is just all. The back seats, the original bench seat that I had rewrapped.
Okay.
The front seats are they're bolstered buckets that I got from Speedway, and then I remember I said I used 73 like parts. Well, I used a 72 inner door panel, but then I bought the strips for a 73, so it'll cover all the way through. So then I had to screw those in and tack those in. I got a Dakota digital dash, so it's a retro series.
Okay.
So it looks old school, but it's all digital.
I like that.
Like I said, I got the vintage air, got new dash pad. You know, everything up top is done.
Yeah, that headliner going crazy.
Yeah, headliner is done. I got that done at Fine Line out there in Sunrise.
Oh man, you went crazy with it.
Yeah.
Did you slap this console in?
Yeah, so the console, I had a buddy, he built it out of wood, and then I went and had it wrapped.
Yeah.
And then, I put the cup, I drilled the cup holders and stuff in it, and yeah, it's it's definitely one of those things that at one point when I started originally, it was like, oh, I'm just going to swap the engine. And then I was like, let me do this. I better do it interior. I was like, it just rolled downhill.
Right.
Yeah. Those tail lights are Fessler tail lights. So they're
Fessler?
billet. Yeah, Fessler.
Okay.
All digital LEDs. I got lucky. I bought them from some guy who had them in Arizona. They don't even make them anymore. So
I was just about to ask.
Man, I called Fessler because when we went to go paint them, I had to take them out, but we had to cut the harness because there's so many wires. Well, I had to rewire each wire. And so there's 8 on each side. I had to individually rewire all of them because I was going to buy it. I called them and they said, we don't make them anymore, but we'll send you the schematics. I was like, so.
Yeah.
But yeah, and then, like I said, the bumpers I bought, I had them all powder coated all around. It literally just
penny. The bumpers be like $300.
Yeah. So I just bought them chrome, aftermarket. Took them to the powder coating shop, and they stripped them and powder coated them. And just got I now that I'm older, I'm tired of cleaning chrome. Like you get in there and you put the elbow in it. I ain't got time for that. Yeah. With this, man, I just come out with the microfiber and wipe it right off.
I like that. I like that. Man, your build clean, man.
Thank you.
I feel like it's not you don't look at somebody else's build and be like, oh, well, you should have. Nah,
yeah.
I know what your personality is. Let me know what you like.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, you did your thing with this one.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
I appreciate you. Thank you.
Follow my mans. Y'all know what he doing over here. Y'all know how I feel about Chevys.
That's right.
I appreciate you, bro.
Appreciate you,
Can
too.
Show your Instagram one more time.
Yes, at Twisted Nova Man.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That idle sound real nice. Yeah.